इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होना चाहिए लाइफ में कि हाँ अरे बिना बैकअप के करेंगे हम। नहीं,
Okay.
रोल बैक स्ट्रेटेजी हमेशा होनी चाहिए।
Point.
अरे ही इज देयर इन स्विमिंग ट्रंक्स इन रंगीला।
हाँ, अरे वो तो हाँ, करेक्ट
Shit.
करेक्ट, उसमें भी
नहीं,
काफी
to
एक्सपोज
be
किया।
fair, Jackie looks really good, ठीक है।
Yeah,
मतलब
he's
Tiger Shroff is not even a shade on him.
Hi everyone, I'm Shubhangi.
हेलो, and I'm Akshay। अच्छा नाम लेना पड़ेगा।
Yes.
नीचे लिखा है ना, नीचे लिखा है नाम, ये देखो इधर। हाँ
नीचे लिखा है नाम नीचे,
हाँ
हाँ, so you can see the recording anyway, but हाँ, good to introduce always.
yes।
So we are back with episode 2, and today we are going to discuss only one movie. It's a personal favorite of mine because as a kid, when I was watching it, I genuinely felt like terrified while watching that movie. So the movie is 100 Days. And do you want to give a summary before we start discussing it?
समरी में मेरे को बताना पड़ेगा ना कि काजल वाज द किलर।
So it's a spoiler summary anyway.
हाँ ठीक है, स्पॉइलर
we
समरी। सो
assume,
जैकी श्रॉफ
we
इज द
are
किलर।
assuming it,
हाँ
you're
बट ही इज
asking
नॉट।
people.
हाँ
Yeah, but he's not.
So this is a movie where Madhuri gets premonitions and she is able to see the future of things that are going to happen to her, or no, sometimes not even to her. She's not even there at
Not
times. Like उसकी बहन मरती है तब वो किधर रहती है। हाँ, so she gets
Correct.
premonitions. She's trying to tell people कि उसको premonition हो रहा है। Obviously people are saying नहीं तो पागल है, तेरे को सपने पड़ रहे हैं, बुरे सपने, whatever, right? So and then eventually things happen the way they do. Things are intertwined and then eventually they find the killer who has killed her sister. Is the first premonition that she sees that her sister is about to get killed. So कौन उसके sister को मारता है and how the story unravels is the summary.
Just.
Yeah, it's a
Right.
fairly short film. No, actually, how long is the film? It's more than 2 hours.
It's
सवा 2 घंटा.
probably 2.5 hours. Two and a
हाँ,
half
but
hours.
it's not really like a three and a half hour movie that
Yeah.
उस time के लिए था.
No, it is not. Apparently, it's not. Which is good. I think it's very tightly edited. I mean, some
Yeah.
sequence, still some sequences I was feeling, अरे ये बहुत लंबा रही है,
लंबा है।
चलने का शॉट है, चलते ही जा रहा है, अरे बहुत हो गया, अभी पहुंचाओ उसको।
But there are so many shots which could have been just skipped. Like story को
Skipped,
कुछ
yeah.
कर नहीं रहा है।
Yeah, true.
जैसे वो शेल वाला सॉन्ग, it had got completely erased from my memory. ठीक है, I had no recollection कि ऐसा कोई गाना था कभी जिंदगी में. And
God, I remember that song very vividly.
I
Actually,
did not
is the
remember that song
exactly
only.
opposite for me.
हाँ
Because while I was watching movie at that time, I was like, क्या गाना है ये? मतलब एक तो वो जो शंख का वो जो पूरा सेटअप है ना, it's so bizarre for the time कि क्या what is going on here, and then suddenly pop up हो गया वो पूरा गाना है. Actually, the song is very good. Like
Yeah.
while I was watching the movie, I listened to it. So there is a lot of classical touch to that song.
Correct.
So composition point of view से I'm saying, not the picturization तो horrible है, please. But
I thought it was a bad version of Dhumtana.
It's exactly,
Om Shanti Om.
yeah.
It's a bad version of
Yeah,
that.
absolutely. So there was this one song, the one you are saying जहाँ पे उसकी बहन की आत्मा दिखती है, उसको वो वाला?
नहीं, वो तो haunted song है ना, वो तो haunted song है, वो नहीं
कौन सा गाना है? चलो which other song?
I don't remember.
So there are two songs ना, एक तो सुन बेलिया, which is like
which is a good song.
favorite.
Which is a good song.
I like it.
Which is a good song.
I like SP's voice so much in that
Correct,
song.
correct.
It's amazing, and it's such a good song. तो वो तो मुझे पसंद है. And then this is the other song. Is there any other?
There
song?
is another classical song. There are multiple songs. You know what is funny when
एक तो बैकग्राउंड में भी एक सॉन्ग बजता है, आई थिंक which is not like complete. एक वो जब वो स्टॉक करता रहता है उसको पड़ोस के बंगले से, वो दूरबीन से देखता रहता है, सॉन्ग प्लेइंग इन द बैकग्राउंड व्हिच इज वेरी शॉर्ट. उतना ही है वो गाना. हाँ,
वो लोग इतना पास में कि दूरबीन की जरूरत नहीं थी एक्चुअली उसको.
जरूरत नहीं. I know, I agree. But I love that. But
I was so surprised by the number of songs in this film because मैं जब मूवी चालू किया वापस देखने को, because पढ़ के आना जरूरी है ना, पॉडकास्ट के लिए पढ़ के आना जरूरी है, तो मैं वापस जब चालू किया, I was like कि ये मूवी from what I remember has only 2 songs in it, which is सुन दे लिया and गब्बर सिंह है क्या कर गया.
गब्बर
Because
सिंह, हाँ,
and I
yeah.
was like wow, ये उस जमाने के लिए कितना ahead of its time movie था कि 2 ही गाने थे पिक्चर में. And then as I'm watching the movie, I'm like, I think this is the 27th song of this film.
नहीं है, फिर भी I would say it's still
कम है, हाँ, कम
okay
है.
in comparative to what was happening at the time. But I do remember the song where Madhuri and Javed is dancing. Like
Correct.
that song I remembered. When it started, I
हाँ,
was instantly like
dance,
humming together.
the dance
हाँ,
thing, हाँ.
the stage dance thing.
हाँ,
हाँ.
correct, हाँ.
ले ले दिल दे दे दिल
हाँ,
वाला.
actually
That
वो
is
भी
very
गाना
good
मेरे को
song.
याद है, but I didn't know वो इस movie का है.
But yeah, I have to mention it, which I think I also texted you while I was watching the movie, that I think Madhuri is the only actress who like has danced with both Javed Jaffrey and
Yes.
Prabhudeva. Both the excellent dancers of our generation. Like Prabhudeva came pretty late for us, but for us it was Javed Jaffrey. Okay, who
Similar
was
time,
like,
right? I mean, not
Nahi,
as
nahi.
early as 100 Days, because 100 Days was like 91, and
Yeah,
Prabhudeva
no, but-
was 97. हमसे मुकाबला.
Prabhudeva was this only, na? कौन सी थी उसकी? हमसे
हमसे
मुकाबला was
मुकाबला.
his
I
first
think
movie,
97.
right? Yeah.
So
नहीं, but
similar.
Javed Jaffrey had come even
Yeah,
before.
come
Javed
before.
Jaffrey's first movie is Meri Jung.
I
Actually.
don't remember seeing it, but I remember Javed Jaffrey being a known figure when 100 Days came in. कि
Yeah,
we
yeah,
knew
absolutely.
Javed Jaffrey's existence. हाँ.
Yeah, and actually I was going through उसका IMDb page, so apparently Javed Jaffrey was supposed to be casted as lead for this movie
Yes.
when the original casting was done.
Correct.
But सब कुछ change हुआ and Jackie was onboarded
हाँ.
and then he was given like, a
Neelam
second
and
lead
Javed
or
Jaffrey, right? Neelam and Javed Jaffrey was the
Neelam and
combination.
Javed Jaffrey.
Neelam and Javed
something.
Jaffrey.
What a combination of them made, man. But yeah.
हाँ.
Neelam and
तो
Javed
Neelam, I understand. Neelam was a big hit at that time. But
हाँ,
Javed
yeah.
Jaffrey, I don't know if you would have been able to carry off the film as much as Jackie did.
as a lead, yeah, I agree.
I don't know. Maybe he's a good actor, but I don't know. I've never seen him in a lead actor.
Yeah,
role.
even I haven't. Yeah.
In fact, I think he has only like 2 or 3 films where he's done a non-comic role. One is like 100 Days, maybe,
Yeah.
which is probably the most substantial role that he's had in a while.
No, I
He's
think
never had a
I would
substantial
disagree because I have watched Meri Jung. I don't know whether you
हाँ,
have
Meri
watched
Jung
it or
before,
not,
I have
but-
not seen it. हाँ.
Yeah. So Meri Jung also, he had, I would say it was more of a negative role in that. It was a short role, but it was a negative role. But the dancing sequences that he had
Yeah.
in that, like really put an impact on me, definitely. The hit song, there was a specific song that Bol Baby Bol Wala. I don't know if you have
Correct,
watched it. So
yeah,
that
of
was the
course, गाना तो
proper
पता है,
rock and
हाँ.
roll.
Yeah.
Rock and roll, and the dancing was also rock and roll, like the pure
Right.
choreography, and he is dancing like God. we call Ritik now that, but I think Javed Jaffrey was the OG.
At that time. And so
Yeah,
even in
that
this
time, yeah.
very singing Lele Dil or Gabbar
Lele
Singh
Dil.
Kar Gaya, I'm looking at it from today's lens. His dance moves are not much better than what maybe Ritik can do or what
Yeah.
the DID people can do today. But in comparison to everybody around him at that point in time,
Around him, yeah,
he was
yeah.
miles ahead.
Yeah.
And I'm sure
Yeah.
he had to be held back saying कि choreographer को इससे better नहीं आ रहा है अभी.
नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे भी ऐसा लगा, मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा था. Like I
Because
think he
surely
definitely
Javed Jaffrey
has
can dance better. Yeah.
I think they had to kind of कि बस ये हमसे ही नहीं choreograph हो रहा है
हाँ,
अभी तो
तो
I
तुम
know you
यही
can
करो,
dance
हाँ.
but we can't choreograph more
Correct.
complicated than this.
Yeah, because I'm 100% sure he could have done a better job had he been given a free rein कि saying तू तेरा steps खुद बना और कर. Or maybe that is what may have happened कि तू तेरा steps कर because हम नहीं कर पा रहे. And he may not be a great choreographer or a dance step creator.
For himself, yeah.
Like
for
ऋतिक
himself,
को बोलो
yeah.
तुम गाना कोरियोग्राफ करो वो कर नहीं पाएगा बट उसको बोलो तुम ये स्टेप पे नाचो वो नाचेगा.
नाचेगा, हाँ.
Right? Whereas on the other hand, if you tell Shahid Kapoor कि तू कोरियोग्राफ कर तो शायद शाहिद कपूर कोरियोग्राफ कर लेगा गाना अच्छा.
Yeah. Could be. But I think it has evolved over the time also. No?
Sure, yeah,
At the
of
time,
course.
that was probably the peak choreography we had
Yeah.
seen. Because as you said, कि
Yeah.
everyone around was not dancing at all.
Like जैकी श्रॉफ तो नाचा ही नहीं है पिक्चर में किधर भी.
नहीं है, नाचा ही नहीं है पिक्चर
मतलब
में.
माधुरी नाच रही है, जावेद जाफरी नाच रहा है,
moving
हाँ.
around, but it's not. Yeah, absolutely. Both the songs, like the Shell वाला गाना, उसमें माधुरी कितना डांस कर
माधुरी
रही है. वो
नाच
सिर्फ
रही है,
घूम रहा है, वो ऐसा उतर रहा है नीचे, वो लेट रहा है, वो whatever it is.
Correct.
But no dancing at all. And and the kapde, like whatever Jackie. So Jackie also has a very distinct style
Distinct
of
look.
his
Yeah, yeah.
fashion
The
across all
jacket,
his
the
movies.
blazer jacket and
Jacket
trouser
and
shoes. हाँ,
बंद तला वाला शर्ट, like it's not even like कि आप
yeah.
बटन जब ऐसे बहुत
इधर ऊपर
सारे
तक.
शर्ट है उसके, हाँ, everywhere, and jacket and he has carried it through Rangila. I
Yes,
just realized
yes.
Rangila तक
Same
उसने
look.
वैसे ही कपड़े पहने,
Same look.
same style. Only that beach scene जहाँ पे he is like morning jog या whatever he is doing and he
हाँ.
sees उर्मिला for the first time, तब जाके शायद उसने वो बटन वाला थोड़े दो ऊपर के दो
नहीं,
बटन
there
खुले,
are.
but otherwise
अरे, he is there in swimming trunks in Rangila.
हाँ, अरे वो तो हाँ, करेक्ट
फिर
उसने भी काफी एक्सपोज
to be
किया.
fair, Jackie looks really good. ठीक है.
Yeah,
मतलब
he's
Tiger
good,
Shroff is
yeah.
not even a shade on him. Jackie looks even with that mustache. Jackie looks
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
ठीक है, Jackie अच्छा
His
दिखता है.
signature
हाँ.
look that
Jackie
he
looks
carried.
good.
Yeah, that is true. So songs are like, from
Songs
music
are,
perspective, it's Ram Lakshman, by the way. The music
Correct.
directors are like Ram Lakshman, and I
Ram
do
Lakshman.
see that there is a lot of traces that I can like see in his later movies, like
Movies.
some of the songs that haunted song that they have. If you listen to it while I was also listening to it while I was driving to office the other day. And there is just so much of the tune and the composition. It reminded me also of the title track of Hum Aapke Hai Kaun. Okay, the notes probably are similar. तो कुछ
Similar.
जिसमें जब वो
नहीं
गाना
है,
मैं
there is
सुन
so
रही
much
थी,
hint of Hum Aapke Hai Kaun in this music.
Yeah. I mean, I could sense a lot, like
Correct.
that kind of inspiration probably they drew eventually over the years for different movies और भी थी उनकी, but that is there. But for me the music is good. Like I can listen to the songs except the haunted wala. बाकी सब अच्छे
So
गाने.
haunted wala gana na, when I was seeing it again, I distinctly remember being scared of that song when I was a kid. I don't do horror films really well. मेरे को पसंद नहीं horror films, ठीक है. ऐसे नहीं कि रात में भूत आएगा और मेरे को डराएगा या मैं अकेला सोने से डरूंगा, बिल्कुल नहीं. घर पे भूत आएगा, हैप्पी, मैं बात करेगा भूत से, भूत डर जाएगा. मेरे को जनरली द आइडिया ऑफ सडन साउंड्स एंड सडनली somebody creeping up from behind, that is a problem, which is what horror films are. You give me a tumbad, I'll love it. मेरे को कुछ नहीं होगा. बट ये जो सफेद साड़ी में जो औरत चल रही है रास्ते पे ना, that is
पहली बात तो चल नहीं रही है, ठीक है, वो उड़ रही है हर जगह.
floating, which is worse.
Floating
which is worse.
Which is worse. You have that. And sorry, but and honestly तो मुझे उस गाने का पॉइंट भी समझ में नहीं आया. मतलब क्या है, उसको विजन हो रहा है कि डिल्यूजन हो रहा है कि उसको बहन दिख रही है कि क्या है?
मेरे को तो स्टार्टिंग में लगी वो बहन ही नहीं, मेरे को लगा वो खुद को ही देख रही है कि मैं खुद ही मर के मैं सफेद साड़ी में हूँ.
क्योंकि उसके पहले उसने वो देखा रहता है ना, विजन की शी इज ड्राउनिंग.
क्या चल रहा है, ठीक है. But Ram Lakshman say, I don't know how deep the trivia hole that you went down, but Ram Lakshman are not two people now. They were two people when they began in the 60s.
I know.
हाँ, उनका नाम राम लक्ष्मण नहीं है.
Some
Vijay Patil and Surendra Nath, I think. Vijay Patil and Surendra Nath. And then they just had one or two films together with Dada Kondke. And then Surendra Nath passed away. And then Vijay Patil continued under the pseudonym of Ram Lakshman till whenever. And I think he passed away recently. Vijay Patil. 2020s में ऐसा कुछ ही passed away. 2020, 2021. हाँ.
अच्छा, the post COVID, हाँ, okay.
Correct. So he's given under the
he's not. Yeah.
I didn't know. So I knew now once I researched for this कि Ram Lakshman कौन है.
Oh, you said no. I was aware for quite some years. I was aware कि he was not the.
नहीं, I knew कि एक ही person है. I knew कि duo नहीं है, but मेरे को लगा था राम लक्ष्मण ही नाम है उसका. And my question to ChatGPT was, why is Ram Lakshman called Ram Lakshman? That was my question. कि ऐसे कौन नाम रखता है? हाँ.
ऐसे कौन नाम रखता है? Yeah. And there is because there is no space also. Like if you search for their name, it's like it's a one name, proper one name. So yes. I was not aware of them as a music director till Hum Aapke Hain Kaun came up, and then
you knew them from Maine Pyar Kiya. You knew them from Maine Pyar Kiya. That was their biggest hit, or his biggest hit.
तब इतना मेरे को वो नहीं इंटरेस्ट नहीं था कि किसने दिया म्यूजिक डायरेक्शन किसने किया एंड ऑल दैट. सो आई वाज नॉट लाइक मच इंटरेस्टेड टू नो कि कौन है. तो नाम एज अ रजिस्टर नाम जो हुआ वो उसी मूवी के साथ हुआ मेरा उनका. तो देन आई लाइक उल्टा मैं गई उनका फिल्मोग्राफी देखा मैंने कि कौन से. देन आई रियलाइज कि अरे बहुत मूवीज में दिया है. सो ये बिकॉज इसके जब ये देख रही थी मैं टाइटल कार्ड जब चल रहा था तो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ नोन नेम्स आल्सो, राइट? द प्रोड्यूसर and director like Partho Ghosh.
Partho Ghosh. But Partho Ghosh
Partho
has not
Ghosh is
done really great films. हाँ, वो तीसरा कौन वगैरह
no,
सब किया
he has
मिथुन के
not,
साथ, but हाँ,
but I think Agni Sakshi was fairly like a
अग्नि
big name
साक्षी,
by the
हाँ,
time he
yes, yes.
finished his career. So I knew again. So I knew him from Agni Sakshi, and then I kind of got to know कि अरे अच्छा ये भी उसकी है
छे,
क्या? And
हाँ,
ये first उसकी हिंदी movie थी by the way. I also
correct,
kind of did
correct,
some
हाँ.
research. So he was like the first Hindi movie that he directed, and the producer like Pranlal Mehta. Also, a lot of movies he had
So
done.
Pranal
But
Mehta is Jay Mehta's father, and this Jay Mehta is not Juhi Chawla's Jay Mehta.
yeah, he's not Jay
हाँ,
Mehta. I
just
don't know if people
another
because
Jay
there is
Mehta.
another movie that I want to cover because Jay Mehta's name came up. So I was thinking about Muskurahat. I don't know if you have watched Muskurahat.
Yes, Amrish Puri का ना?
Yeah. Amrish Puri,
हाँ,
Revati,
with his
and Jay
granddaughter,
Mehta.
हाँ, daughter or granddaughter,
Yeah,
one of the two, हाँ, a beautiful movie.
one of the two.
Yeah,
Yeah, beautiful
हाँ,
movie.
beautiful
Priyadarshan's
movie.
movie, beautiful
Yes,
movie,
I have
and that
seen
was
that
his
बचपन
debut.
में.
Yeah, so I remembered that. So I कहा, really, we should cover Muskurahat also.
Yeah, Muskurat, हाँ, I've seen Muskurat. So yeah, that's a nice film.
And for that movie also Ram Lakshman's music was there.
Oh, okay.
Initially, my understanding was because it was picked up from a South Indian movie, so probably the music was Ilayaraja's, but it is not. Actually, it is again Ram
Ram
Lakshman's
Lakshman.
music only. So इसलिए I was very surprised. कह रहे बहुत मतलब I have heard so much of their music, but I never
Correct.
knew कि it's them.
And you
know.
generally
at
associate
that
Ram Lakshman with Rajshri because मैंने प्यार किया, हम आपके
Rajshri,
कौन,
exactly.
हम साथ साथ है. I don't know if Viva also
True.
was his, but
नहीं विवाह was रविंद्र जैन बाबा.
रविंद्र जैन, हाँ.
एंड में तो गाते भी है ना वो
Correct,
लास्ट के
correct. Viva is
क्लाइमैक्स
रविंद्र जैन, हाँ.
so it's Ravindra Jain, yeah. But coming back to the storyline,
हाँ.
storyline in itself. So that premonition that they start, so they set the context like at the start, but the first scene में उसकी आंखें दिखा देते हैं ये आंखों को ऐसा दिखता है all that. But then it's like only 2-3 episodes only that she's she has experienced throughout her life. So it's not only कि premonition है तो 3-4
4.
not
One is
many.
sister's death, then is that वो बंदी का death जिसको
वही उसको 3 बार दिखता है ना, वही
वो
2-3
उसको
बार
मारता
दिखता
है.
है.
Then खुद के घर पे उसको जो टूटा हुआ मिरर दिखता है, and then
Mirror,
जैकी का
वो
सिगरेट
bank
स्मोकिंग.
scene.
हाँ,
Correct,
ये
correct,
चार ही
correct,
चीजें हैं उसका मेनली.
चार ही चीजें हैं तो इट्स लाइक कि
इन अ 3-month पीरियड बहुत है ना.
हाँ 3 months बहुत
To
100
be
days
fair,
of course.
नहीं, it is so okay. Question now, उसकी
it's
बहन को
not-
मरे
it's
5
not
साल हो
3
गया.
month
हाँ,
period.
उसकी बहन को मर के
हाँ,
5 साल हो गए. So between her sister dying and her meeting Jackie, 5
Yeah.
साल में एक ही बार उसको प्रेमोनिशन हुआ है.
यही मैं बोल रही हूँ, यही मेरा पॉइंट था कि that so it's a very selective premonition and probably it gets triggered only when the people, जैसे I think when you said in the summary, when either her or the people close to her are in danger, then only probably she starts seeing things, otherwise नहीं. क्योंकि 5 साल में तो उसको कोई एपिसोड ऐसा बताया ही नहीं है या उसके बारे में कोई डिस्कशन भी नहीं होता है कि हाँ you had this and everything. So that is very and I also want to understand कि उसके अंकल क्या काम करते हैं by the way. So because every other time अंकल कहाँ कलकत्ता गए, अंकल कहाँ पुणे गए, अरे कहाँ पर but वो तो घर पे बैठ के गाने सुन रहा है.
अरे रिलेटिव्स रहेंगे यार, सिस्टर रहेगी, कजिन रहेगा, कोई ना कोई मिलने ही जाता रहेगा. Looks अजित वचानी नो, आई थिंक
अजित वचानी है,
रिटायर्ड है, इज रिटायर्ड. हाँ,
रिटायर्ड. By default he is. I think he stopped doing like a age appropriate role like quite some time back. Like in mid 90s वो चला गया था अंकल और उन वाले era में, and then he continued till like राजश्री के साथ तो अभी तक कंटिन्यू कर ही रहा है. So I think that's where he transitioned 30 years back to a 60-year-old man's role.
It's like Alok Nath, no? It's like Alok Nath and Rima Lagu. They were around Salman's or a little older than Salman when they were doing Maine Pyar Kiya and Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. हाँ, they were around his age only. So
they look also pretty young actually in the movie. So, and then we have to also talk about Lakshmikant Bede because I think Marathi actors in 90s were there for either support roles or comic relief, of course.
Laksha is the only one who got nominated for this film for best actor in comic role. No, there are no other nominations for this film, which is fine considering the movies that came out in 91, 92. 91, 92 was I think मैं देख रहा था क्या था. I think साजन था, सड़क था, ये था 100 Days था. There was हम, there was
92?
बेटा
I
बाद
thought
में आई
it was
थी या
थोड़ा
बेटा भी
late.
वो
Oh, okay.
हाँ, but there are bunch of films we can look up बाद
Okay,
में,
okay, got
but there are bunch of films जो yeah, वो टाइम पे I mean when you look at the actual nominations and the people who actually won it, you're like ठीक है 100
Yeah.
days नहीं होना चाहिए था nominate, it's fine, fair है.
Comparing Lakshmikant Berde in like 100 Days and in Sajan, I think is very unfair because Sajan, I think he had a slightly major role. Major as in
role.
थोड़ा screen time ज़्यादा था, I would say. यहाँ पे उतना screen time भी नहीं था उसका. I think he was just
नहीं,
there
नहीं,
कि
हाँ.
कोई supportive चाहिए हमको.
No, I'm saying,
दो
हाँ.
हीरो का एक दोस्त का कोई तो
Correct, वो
होना
जीता
चाहिए.
नहीं, वो
दोस्त
was
एक
just
हीरोइन की
nominated.
सहेली और एक हीरो का दोस्त ये होना चाहिए कैरेक्टर. इसलिए बस डाल दिया था
Correct,
दोनों को.
correct.
The other girl that who plays Madhuri's friend also,
Sahiba.
that lady.
खिलाड़ी
हाँ
वाली,
साहिबा
हाँ,
या
खिलाड़ी वाली.
साहिबा correct.
She's only,
खिलाड़ी वाली हाँ.
I didn't even know कि ये वो भाई सेम बंदी है जो खिलाड़ी में. I was watching the film, Sonam is like, I was like ये किधर देखा है मैंने इसको. She's like अरे वो तो खिलाड़ी में जो मरती है. बोला oh, and for some odd reason I knew her name.
Nope.
कि क्यों पता है मेरे को उसका नाम साहिबा करके.
Oh, wow. I didn't know her name.
I
मतलब
did,
recent में
हाँ.
कभी तो कुछ तो I was reading because I was reading that she's daughter of a 50s heroine Amita.
Okay.
उसकी
ये नहीं
बेटी.
मालूम था, हाँ.
And you see the she looks exactly like her mother actually.
Especially the boycott maybe, right?
बॉयकट में भी हाँ वो जो उसका हेयर स्टाइल है उसमें बहुत ही वो अपनी माँ जैसी लगती है तो एक्चुअली वो एंड आई फील her presence in both the movies are very calming for some reason. Whenever she's on screen, her aura and the way she speaks, it's a very calming personality I found. Even खिलाड़ी में मुझे लगता था.
Of Sahiba or her mother?
No, Sahiba's personality. Somewhere I don't know why, but
I find her
maybe
annoying.
she's not very loud in her
हाँ.
acting या जो भी है उसका probably उसके कारण होगा. But for me, always that way I
But she'll
felt whenever
always
she
be
was there.
heroine's friend or sister. ना वो उसमें हीरोइन का क्वालिटी नहीं है.
नहीं है बट शी डिड सम आई थिंक इनिशियल मूवीज में उसने एज अ हीरोइन लॉन्च होने की
Of course,
कोशिश की
but
थी
नहीं
बट आई
चला
थिंक
ना, हाँ.
इट डिडंट वर्क आउट
But as a friend,
वो
Aisha
फिर
Shulka's friend works as Madhuri's friend works completely, right?
yeah
हाँ.
and
Very
sharing
believable
space like there are
friend, हाँ.
significant scenes with her in the frame so it's not a very short role I would say it's like a proper
Yeah,
role
yeah,
that she-
okay. Like even Javed Jaffri
But-
is a proper role in this film. Very few films he has a full decent length role. I can मतलब
Yeah,
धमाल
yeah.
वमाल छोड़ दो, वो सब छोड़ दो, ठीक है?
तो बाद में आई हो तो हाँ
Yeah, and
काफी recent.
it's just multi-starrer है, तो कितना ही रोल
हाँ
करोगे?
हाँ
But I
Correct,
think
correct,
his two substantial roles is one is 100 Days and the other is Singh is King, where he is the
Singh is
main
King,
villain.
हाँ
अरे भाई,
love his role though
Singh
सही
is
है
King में
वो
Javed Jaffri is amazing and so believable that he can't see.
Yeah, but
He
he's
plays-
good. That's I mean, again the complaint that I have again they have not utilized his skill well.
Yes.
Like Javed Jaffri would have been such a big hit. I think he was a hit in terms of dancer. As a dancer, I think वो
Correct.
ज़्यादा popular था as compared to as an
As
actor.
an actor.
अभी शायद वो as an actor ज़्यादा उसको मतलब he is getting more opportunities as compared to what he should have gotten, you know, in 90s. Definitely उसको ज़्यादा लेना चाहिए था. I feel now watching how he has performed. Very good, very good. Yeah.
Continuing a bit on Mora or referencing Mora this time, I think he plays a better visually impaired person in Singh is King than Nasiruddin Shah in Mora. More believable.
Nasir is not blind, Baba.
अरे but I'm saying
How would
acting, no, he's acting ना, acting बोल रहा हूँ.
yeah.
अरे उसमें भी he's not blind or visually impaired, उसमें he's acting ना.
हाँ वो भी है.
उसमें भी दिखता है उसको
हाँ,
सब कुछ.
हाँ,
हाँ.
that is.
आज मुझे किंग बनने से तू भी नहीं रोक सकता.
Oh my God.
जावेद
बहुत
जाफरी देखेगा तो क्या
controversial
खुश होगा ना.
देख
We are
चुके हो
saying
आप, अच्छा,
जावेद जाफरी को ये लोग मेरे को नसीर से बेटर बोल रहा है.
Yeah, I know that's what I'm saying.
क्या खुश.
Javed Jaffri, right.
जावेद जाफरी please watch this.
Yeah, please watch this. Please. No, but he's good. Like apart from the weirdo hairstyle, that was a
That is
rage in 90s.
80s and 90s, come on. The
He's
mullet,
good.
वो तो ठीक है, सबके पास वही हेयर स्टाइल था.
We have also to mention Shivaji Satam who plays Inspector.
Inspector, so we have seen him progress from Inspector to ACP.
CID.
It would have been so cool had his name there also been Pradyuman. It wasn't in the
Oh
film.
God, yeah.
But अगर
But we don't
प्रद्युमन
know
होता
his
ना
name, ना?
नहीं है
हमें
ना
नहीं
कैरेक्टर
पता
का
उसका
नाम वो इंस्पेक्टर जब आता है
पता है
कुछ तो
क्या?
कैरेक्टर नेम है. IMDb खोलना
होता है
पड़ेगा
क्या?
अपने को. हाँ. This is the
Yeah.
time when I will stick his IMDb profile and his character name on our thing.
Yeah, maybe. But yeah, it
हाँ,
was such a so fun. Like the
first
first instant I saw him on screen, अरे ये अपने करियर के स्टार्ट पे भी इंस्पेक्टर के रोल कर रहा
इंस्पेक्टर ही
था.
था.
As a first time director, Partho Ghosh did a very good job
Decent
with
job.
100
Yeah,
Days.
yeah.
It's a genuine thriller. Like
It's a
it
good
would
film.
keep you hooked.
It's a good
It's a
film.
good film.
तभी भी
So,
अच्छा लगा था. आज भी ठीक है. Other than the songs that are
हाँ.
slow pacing छोड़ो बीच का, including उनका courtship period का slow pacing.
हाँ.
वो छोड़ो. Those are the thing. Those are the part of their times. But वो छोड़ोगे
Correct,
तो
correct,
it is a very tight film.
very
It
tight
is
film.
definitely
Yes,
watchable.
yes.
It's definitely watchable. Mainly because see,
Definitely.
खुद का स्क्रिप्ट नहीं है ना, रीमेक किया हुआ है, which is why अब्बास
Remake
मस्तान
किया हुआ
films
है.
also work because खुद का स्क्रिप्ट नहीं है ना. I mean story line खुद का नहीं है. It is always borrowed
Yeah.
from multiple places or direct lift. So story is always strong उनका इसीलिए.
True. Actually, for this also, like we spoke about its पहले तो तमिल से है, मलयालम में भी बनी है एक्चुअली इसकी एक रीमेक, एंड इटालियन फिल्म ओरिजिनल है और एक इंग्लिश वाली भी है. तो इंग्लिश मूवी आई थिंक व्हेन आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट इट, मैं देख रही थी, वो है यूट्यूब पे, आईज ऑफ लॉरा समथिंग. तो उसका स्टोरी थोड़ी अलग है, मतलब अलग एज इन इट्स अ सिमिलर प्रीमाइस कि उसको प्रीमोनिशंस होते हैं एंड ऑल दैट, बट शी इज अ वर्किंग वुमन. ओके, सो शी इज अ फैशन फोटोग्राफर एंड उसको अपने मॉडल्स के बारे में लिखता रहता है, ऐसा कुछ है कि वेयर
Nice.
शी हैज दिस प्रीमोनिशन. एंड you have Tommy Lee Jones who is the inspector, जिसके साथ वो मिलके and then she kind of tries to solve कि ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है. तो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द ओरिजिनल इटालियन का क्या है,
हाँ.
मतलब इज इट वेरी सिमिलर और डिड दे मॉडिफाई, लाइक हो सकता है तमिल वर्जन में उन्होंने अपडेट किया होगा कि थोड़ा इंडियन कंटेक्स्ट में लेके आते हैं, इसको बहन बना देते हैं rather than कि कोई रैंडम लड़की है, बहन से शुरुआत करते हैं फैमिली.
क्यों रैंडम लड़की का तुमको मौत दिखेगा?
एग्जैक्टली, क्यों ही
कुछ तो
दिखेगा
लिंक
ना,
करना
और
चाहिए.
उसका
हाँ.
इमोशनल इम्पैक्ट भी नहीं होगा ना. जब बहन
Right.
आएगी तो
बहन
देन
है,
ऑफ कोर्स
हाँ.
इट्स अ बिगर
Correct.
इम्पैक्ट.
Because as a society we can't show empathy or sympathy towards random people. Only family.
उस टाइम
हाँ.
तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं,
हाँ.
अभी भी नहीं, बट अभी एटलीस्ट लोग बात तो भी करते हैं. उस
Correct.
टाइम पे ये सब तो ही था.
हाँ.
not there, but yeah, and Munmun Sen is the lady who plays Madhuri's
Correct.
sister.
Madhuri's sister. Yeah.
And apparently she's only 20, she's less than 25 years old when she gets killed, but मुझे वो कभी भी नहीं लगी कि वो 25 साल की थी उस मूवी
नहीं,
में.
वो बड़ी लगी मेरे को. हाँ.
much elder.
हाँ.
But whatever. That's what they talk about,
Yeah,
like
which
in
is fine.
autopsy
ठीक
जब
है.
उसको
हाँ.
वो मिलता है, skeleton मिलता है, and we have to talk about the jewelry also because it stood out for me. Otherwise मैं कभी
Oh,
jewelry
I
की बात
didn't
नहीं
even
करूँगी.
notice it. मतलब it did not stand out for me.
No, for that one scene,
हाँ.
because they were talking about this necklace, right? That
Correct.
they
कि ये
both
मेरे
like
दीदी का
she
था. हाँ.
purchases and वो माधुरी को भी देती है, and that's how she recognizes ना कि ये मेरी
कि
बहन
body उसका है. हाँ.
का skeleton है because of that necklace.
Chain,
वो
हाँ.
इतना absolutely horrendous looking necklace that is.
ठीक है.
कि and I also have to talk about that wall. Okay, it's a major character in the movie in itself. ऐसी दीवारें कौन बांधता है अपने घर में? पहले तो मुझे ये
So wait, 100%. I'm with you on that. कि I mean I can't like change my thoughts now to connect, but let me try and do that. Okay. पहले तो again I was trying to ask ChatGPT कि कुछ gossip है क्या? So it said unconfirmed reports, but Jackie wanted to change the ending, saying उसका image clean है, तो मेरे को villain नहीं बनना है. ठीक है.
I read that, yeah.
I maybe true, maybe not true. I don't care. ठीक है. I don't think it is true because ठीक है. क्या कैसे? I don't know how they would have changed the movie to make Jackie the villain in this by him killing. क्या होता है end में? ठीक है. One रुको. Let me finish the wall कैसे आती है इसमें? ठीक है. अभी ये बंगला जैकी के डैड का है, करेक्ट, जो वो सब पैसा बर्बाद कर दिया रहता है. Why would you, and when let's say this guy, जो क्या नाम है इसका, जो खूनी है, एक्चुअल खूनी है, कल देखा रे, मेरे को नाम याद नहीं है. ठीक है. हाँ.
जगमोहन.
हाँ, जगमोहन. When he gets the body to Madhuri's to the bungalow, जाकी बोला कि मेरे को ये करने के लिए वो बंगले में लेके आता है ताकि मैं फंसेगा, इसीलिए हाइड्स द बॉडी इन माय बंगलो. करेक्ट. तो उसको कैसा पता कि वो दीवार उधर है जिसके पीछे हिडन कैविटी है? हाउ डज ही नो दैट?
Exactly.
unless that is when I started thinking, unless they know कि ये cavity हम लोग मूर्ति छुपाने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, because remember they're smuggling
Oh,
murtis, correct?
yes,
And it
yes,
is quite
yes.
possible, given that his dad has spent all his money in gambling and stuff like that, that cavity must have been there in the bungalow, built historically
Wow,
only to hide whatever
wow.
his dad was up to. So
Whatever it is, yeah.
completely plausible,
Oh,
completely plausible.
that's a legit explanation
हाँ,
actually,
ये
and that fits
डायरेक्टर ने
with
भी
the
सोचा नहीं है,
narrative
बट ये
of the
पॉसिबल
story.
है. हाँ.
No, but it makes sense now. It
It
makes sense.
makes
Of course,
complete sense
उस
कि
time
वो
मुझे भी
लोग,
पता
इसीलिए
कि
उसको पता है
filmmaker
कि
से
उधर
सोचा
वो
था वो.
वॉल है. एंड even when he's breaking the wall for the first time, when he's hiding the sister's body, वो wall
Yeah.
patchwork ही दिखता है. ऐसे नहीं कि वो properly
हाँ.
finished wall है कि flush with the wall. It
अगर
looks a patchwork, so he knows exactly वो मूर्ति छुपाने के
Yeah,
लिए पुराने बंगले में
could
है.
be.
So
है
that
या
was
और
my,
पहले भी कुछ छुपाया
हाँ,
जा चुका है वहां पे जिसको तोड़ के निकाला गया, and that
correct,
patchwork exists because of that.
correct.
Oh, absolutely. Oh, this is such a great explanation. Honestly, like it fits the overall narrative, and it
पार्थिव
also
घोष
fits
palace
why
if this
there
was
are
right.
so
हाँ,
many statues in Jackie's house, like the कोठी में. Everywhere it's like showpiece,
yes.
showpiece, showpiece. और कुछ है ही
But
नहीं घर में.
that is also hiding in plain sight ना. अगर तू मूर्ति स्मगलर
Yeah,
है तो तेरे घर पे तू
correct.
इतना झूठा मूर्ति रखेगा कि उसमें एक असली मूर्ति कोई रखे भी टेबल पे, nobody is going to have a doubt on that.
No, yeah. So it's a great
100%.
writing.
It's
Again,
a great
very
writing.
very thoughtful writing. I would
I
say कि
don't
why
think किसी
there
ने
is
सोचा
why
ये.
there is whatever it is, but I think it like no. While watching the movie, also same thought came in my mind. पहले I was wondering कि why क्यों
So
है ये
many,
ऐसा घर, ऐसा इंटीरियर कौन करता है यार अपने घर में. Even if
correct.
like lavish houses, I know lavish houses में, and specifically उस 80s 90s के era में वो इस टाइप के ये बहुत दिखाते थे. एक तो वो शेर का, वो चीते का कौन सा एक
Correct.
शोपीस था, that was like almost in every other lavish house in the 80s 90s movies.
Yeah.
Makes sense. But what about other artifacts? Like there are so many, and like then it clicked me later कि अरे हाँ, actually they are shown smugglers, so
Smugglers,
makes
हाँ.
sense कि there would like he would keep his house also like a museum only.
Correct. हाँ, किसी को शक नहीं होगा ना. मैं है, eclectic है, I have a weird taste in things, मेरा घर भी ऐसे ही है, तो
Yeah, absolutely.
perfectly makes
And
sense.
that also makes sense because उसको इनिशियल बंगलो जहाँ पे जब वो माधुरी के साइड में रहता है
हाँ,
तब वहां पे नहीं है ये सब. It's
ये सब नहीं है.
fairly
हाँ,
fairly yeah, it's a fairly clean house that way. But ये जो कोठी है वहाँ सब कुछ है, which makes sense.
right.
Like great set design and art direction, I would say. in that case.
Yeah, completely, 100%.
Very
They've never addressed
very
it in
aligned
the
with
film,
the
but yeah, they
character.
could have. हाँ.
Yeah. True.
So, हाँ,
What else? What else have
what
we
else?
missed?
I have a thing about the storyline about premonition. ठीक है. I mean, obviously, I'm not saying कि
Oh,
premonition नकली है, ऐसा सब होता नहीं. We are not getting into that because है तो है. Story में premonition है, बंदी को premonition होता है. ठीक है. Let's not get into how real it is in life or not. ठीक है. We'll buy that for a moment कि premonition होता है उसको. ठीक है. अगर तेरे को premonition होता है, तेरे को बहन का प्रेमोनिशन हुआ, बहन रिमोट है कहीं, तो बहन मर गई, फाइन, आई कैन गेट टू इट, गेट अंडरस्टैंड कि हो सकता है. जब तेरे को तेरे बारे में प्रेमोनिशन हो रहा है, ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट आर द प्रेमोनिशंस शी गेट्स? वन इज दैट प्रिया मैगजीन का हॉर्स, सेकंड
yeah.
इज सीइंग जगमोहन, बॉल्ड जगमोहन, राइट?
Yeah, bald Jagmohan, correct.
Bald
Yeah.
Jagmohan. And let's go ahead with these two because this will carry the story forward. ठीक है. जब उसको प्रिया मैगजीन का प्रेमोनिशन होता है, क्या करते हैं वो लोग प्रिया मैगजीन के एडिटर के पास जाते हैं और वो लोग पूछते हैं कि घोड़े वाला कवर पेज वाला कौन सा मैगजीन. हाँ, तो बोलते हैं नहीं, अगले 6 महीने तक बुक्ड है. अगर होता तो मुझे पता होता. अगर मैं एडिटर है मैगजीन का और कोई मुझे आके ऐसे बोलता है कि घोड़े का कवर, ठीक है, और उसके अगले 2 हफ्ते में मैं अगर घोड़े का कवर का मैगजीन निकाल रहा हूं ना, तो मैं 10 बार सोचेगा कि मेरे को ये बंदी आई थी जो मेरे को बोली थी कि घोड़े का मैगजीन का कवर है, मैं तभी उसको बोला था कि नहीं है और ये घोड़े का मैगजीन है. मे बी देयर इज समथिंग टू द स्टोरी, मे बी घोड़ा डर भी जीता है, बट लेट मी कॉल हर एंड से कि क्या आस्क कर कि क्या हो रहा है. ठीक है.
How
एक
did
तो
she
वो
know? How did she
हाँ,
know? Why did she come?
मेरे को तो डाउट
that?
आता.
Yeah,
ठीक है, मेरे को तो डाउट आता, मैं
absolutely.
मैगजीन एडिटर होता तो. ठीक है, चलो, बट उसका भी देयर इज नथिंग दैट ही कुड हैव डन अबाउट इट क्योंकि वो प्रिंट तो करने
Yeah.
वाला था. ठीक है, बट नाउ विद द बॉल्ड जगमोहन, माधुरी सीज अ बॉल्ड जगमोहन. Jagmohan, and when she actually goes and sees Jagmohan in his house, he is not bald, or in the photo he is not bald. So she's like, ये वो बंदा नहीं है. Now, if she hadn't followed up and gone to Jagmohan's house, ठीक है, अगर उसको खुजली प्रेमोनिशन हुआ है तो खुजली हुई है, मैं जाके आई एम गोइंग टू स्क्रैच माई इच एंड फिगर आउट. इफ शी डिसाइडेड नॉट टू स्क्रैच हर इच एंड नॉट फॉलो अप विद इट, वो जगमोहन के घर नहीं जाती. जगमोहन को डाउट नहीं होता. वो जाके जावेद जाफरी को मारने ही नहीं जाता. तो उसको उसका हुलिया बदलने का इच्छा नहीं होता. वो कभी बॉल्ड ही नहीं होता. तो ये सेल्फ फुलफिलिंग प्रोफेसी कर दिया ना उसने, माधुरी ने, कि मैंने ये देखा है तो आई विल मेक श्योर इट हैपेंस. दिस इज लाइक वोल्डेमॉर्ट चूजिंग हैरी टू किल हिम. अगर तेरे को दिखा है कि हैरी तेरे मतलब कोई बोला है कि तेरे को कोई बंदा मारने वाला है, तो व्हाई आर यू गोइंग एंड कुछ मत करना, चिल मारना, सुट्टा मार के बैठ घर पे.
But she doesn't know ना कि उससे ट्रिगर हो रहे हैं, मतलब उसके एक्शन से ट्रिगर हो रहा है. She was not aware of that.
नहीं बट कुछ मत करो ना, अगर होना ही है तो वैसे भी होगा.
No, but she's trying to prevent a murder, na, Baba. Of course, so she has to act at some point of time.
See, how is if she's seeing a murder that is happening again? उसने उसके बहन को मरते हुए देखा है, बहन मर गई.
हाँ.
करेक्ट. उसको प्रिया बाद में जब वो मर्डर प्रिवेंट बिफोर द मर्डर, शी सीन अ मर्डर हैपनिंग. करेक्ट. सो माय फर्स्ट थॉट इज कि ये मर्डर होने वाला है. अगेन विद द सिस्टर शी कुडंट हैव डन एनीथिंग बिकॉज़ सिस्टर उधर थी नहीं, तो शी कुडंट प्रिवेंट. सो हियर मे बी शी इज थिंकिंग कि मैं प्रिवेंट करूंगी, तो शी इज गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड प्रिवेंट. सो वो गाड़ी निकल जाती है पार्वती के घर जाने, नाम आ गया मेरे को, पार्वती के घर जाने को. फिर उसको रास्ते पे वो मैगजीन दिखता है. नाउ आई एम लाइक, अभी तेरे को दिख रहा है ना कि ये चीजें सच हो रही है जो तेरे को दिख रही है, मतलब मर्डर होने वाला है. तो मैं क्यों जाऊं? मैं क्यों देखूं उसका मर्डर? मैं अगर मेरे घर पे बैठूं and lock all my doors and windows and I just sit at home and do nothing about it, then मेरे को मर्डर होते हुए नहीं दिखेगा.
But that is not, I think that is not her whatever trigger to go. Okay, she is basically, I think that's the guilt that she carries कि मैं मेरे sister को नहीं बचा पाई, तो at least I should, help this woman.
I'm just finding holes in the plot. It's not even a hole in the plot. I'm saying it is a very self-fulfilling prophecy. कि वो उसके एक्शन से ही उसका प्रोफेसी सच कर रही है. इनफैक्ट नो एक्शन वुड हैव मेंट नथिंग हैपेंस. इसलिए 5 साल तक कुछ होता नहीं है ना, उसको प्रेमोनिशन होता है ना कुछ होता नहीं, कुछ कर नहीं रही वो. कीड़ा खुजली
कुछ तो आया. और because if she didn't even ask about Jagmohan in the first place, because वो सुनता है ना उसको म्यूजियम में ही वो देख लेता है एक्चुअली, ये दोनों मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, वहां जाके सर्च करना है, तो वहीं से वो डाउट शुरू होता है. तो अगर जाती ही नहीं तो probably wouldn't have happened at all.
हाँ.
पर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली उसके बेसिक प्रीमाइस पे है कि पहली बार तो रिकॉर्ड कर क्यों रही थी, मेरा वो भी क्वेश्चन आया कि व्हाई वाज शी रिकॉर्डिंग दिस लाइक होल एपिसोड.
वो लोग बताया है कि I think they've addressed that, or Jackie says that कि क्यों कर रही थी वो रिकॉर्ड, is because she wanted basically वो कि अगर ये लोग इसके खिलाफ बताएं कुछ जाएंगे तो मेरे पास प्रूफ है कि
अच्छा प्रूफ होना चाहिए. हाँ ओके ठीक है.
तो पकड़े जाएंगे तो कि मैंने नहीं किया, इसने खून किया, हाँ कुछ तो प्रूफ होना चाहिए.
Got it. Okay. I might have missed that while watching. Oh, okay. Nice, very good. But while I was watching, like I remember जब मैं देख रही थी first time ये movie, तो when Munmun Sen comes on screen, I was like, नहीं आती इसको एक्टिंग.
नहीं आती.
नहीं आ रही है. 4 सीन में है वो पूरी मूवी में, पर वो 4 सीन में
वो I think it is a Bengali thing. Partho Ghosh taking Munmun Singh because maybe they have done something in Bengali films.
It's the other way around. Like I think I read, I think IMDb पे या कहीं पे, that is the trivia that actually Munmun Sen brought Partho Ghosh to the producer क्योंकि उसको मिल नहीं रहा था कोई या whatever it was, and he was very interested कि मेरे को बनानी है अभी. So she recommended कि okay he will make and whatever happens is the other.
either ways.
Yeah, but she no, Munmun Sen can't.
the rabbit hole that I went down to was collections of 100 days. Because I was like कि ये पिक्चर चली कि नहीं चली, क्योंकि काफी टाइम
नहीं
कल्ट
चली।
फिल्म जो अभी है जो चलते हैं कि नहीं चलते वी डोंट नो, लाइक अंदाज अपना अपना
Right.
फॉर एग्जांपल नहीं चली थी,
Yeah.
बट इट इज अ कल्ट फिल्म, इट्स अ ग्रेट
Correct.
फिल्म, बट ये
Correct.
अपेरेंटली चली थी, ये सुपर हिट में थी,
Oh.
ठीक है,
Oh, wow,
एंड
nice.
ऑब्वियसली देन आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड more things about the film and see how better it was as compared to the other. So
Correct.
this film was like a 1.5 crore budget or something like that, और कुछ
Wow.
6 करोड़ कमाया उसने, ठीक है, 6 करोड़ कमाया उसने, so about 4x returns, correct?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. Distribution
This-
मिला मिला के.
This is Madhuri's career में in terms of returns, not absolute returns, but in terms of 4x or 400% returns type.
हाँ.
This is Madhuri's second biggest hit.
क्या बात कर? After हम आपके?
Yes.
Wow.
Second
I was
biggest
not
in
aware.
terms
I
of
thought it probably was
returns,
Teza
percentage
और
returns.
मतलब का मतलब.
हाँ,
Wow.
percentage, even Dil and things
Wow.
are like 2x or things like that. मतलब है,
Wow.
super hit है, but
Of course. But the proportion in which it made the
proportion.
money. Wow.
वो
And if you look at the movie, Madhuri is the central character. Of course, she
Of
is
course.
the
Yeah,
crux
she's the
of the
star.
movie. She is the protagonist. बाकी सब supporting है. Jackie is also supporting character
Yeah.
only.
Yeah,
as
yeah.
compared to what her
Yeah, it is
character
Madhuri's
is.
film.
So of course, yeah.
Madhuri is the lead.
Yeah, absolutely.
She's the hero of the
Yeah,
film.
she's really. I think on poster also. I was just checking while you were talking. I was just checking Wikipedia. The main poster itself is
Madhuri.
Madhuri only. Like Madhuri. There is no Jackie. There is like that Jackie's raincoat wala thing, but he's like facing the other way. And again, interesting trivia. I was reading about it. Ki this movie was also released somewhere outside India. Kuch to maybe they tried doing that, but they ruined the poster by putting Jackie's
Jackie
photo
on
in
it.
that raincoat wala. So it's like suspense is already out by the time you are like,
But
going.
it is
and
not
watching
out
the
now, because
movie.
you think from the beginning, it's not like suspense. Even when you're watching the first scene of the movie, you know कि ये Jackie है, correct? You know that this guy in the raincoat is Jackie.
पता
Built,
नहीं, no.
and even later when he walks into the junkyard,
हाँ,
correct? Then
that
you
way, yeah.
100% know कि ये
That time,
Jackie है.
yes.
तब तक तो तुमको पता है कि Jackie ही murderer है उसके बहन का, but the real twist then is कि ये murderer नहीं है,
नहीं है, हाँ, actually, हाँ. Real
which
twist
might
is
be the
not.
altered ending, which I think you had some thoughts on, but I cut you there. So maybe you can give your thoughts on there. Ki what do you think? Did Jackie actually change the
Kill.
ending?
Change. No, so I read it as a trivia only. I read it on internet. He was not happy with the script, and they are saying. Of course, I have not watched the Tamil version, the original version. तो original version में मतलब उसको actually as a proper
World
villain
mirror,
और
हाँ,
ऐसा ही दिखाया है. पर जैकी के इसमें उन्होंने क्या किया? I felt कि they tried to provide a justification. Why was he smuggling? Right, the financial crisis and burdens and debts and whatever he had. So he had so they probably tried to justify the action, give a valid or legit reason कि क्योंकि मुझे सिस्टम से सपोर्ट नहीं मिला, मुझे ये नहीं हुआ, तो I had to take that this thing, and I was just there to scare her. I was not really going to kill her. So that kind of probably creates a soft corner for his character कि हाँ, if he did wrong, but that angry young man वाला वो आ गया ना कि वो इतना frustrate हो गया बेचारा, उसको कहीं से help नहीं मिले, तो he had to take that step. Which works in 90s movies, in fact, because even if the hero is doing wrong, there is a justification attached to it. It is seen as positive. So, and eventually he surrenders himself to police.
But वो पहले
which
भी
is
कर
also
सकता था ना.
पहले भी कर सकता था, exactly. तो ऐसा राह देख रहा था कि हाँ मेरी बीवी को पता चलेगा तो तब
मैं surrender
अभी जब
करूंगा.
तक
So maybe it's
बाहर
like
नहीं आया है.
अभी मैं कर नहीं रहा हूँ, अभी I have come clean, ये नया लाइफ चालू कर रहा हूँ मैं माधुरी के साथ, उसको पता नहीं रहता ना कि उसकी बहन है करके. He says that, right, in
पर
there
उसको पता चलता है ना जब
but
see
he's
when
like,
he is getting
correct,
married,
he knows कि बहन है
of
उसकी.
course उसको फोटो देखा होगा ना उसने कि भाई ये इसकी बहन है.
He says that in the movie. He realizes that is Madhuri's sister when they find a skeleton in the house, which he also doesn't know it exists. ठीक है.
Oh wow.
क्योंकि वो चला गया रहता है ना किधर तो दिल्ली या किधर तो, और माधुरी बोलती है कि मैं रेनोवेट करूंगी तेरा बंगलो तब तक, एंड दैट इज वेयर माधुरी फाइंड्स इट एंड कॉल्स द पुलिस. सो दैट इज व्हेन उसको समझता है कि यार ये तो इसकी बहन है. तब तक तो ऑलरेडी दे आर मैरिड आल्सो, राइट?
हाँ नहीं, and I think that they have addressed this also. You remember जब जावेद जाफरी आता है वो लंदन वंडन से, and then he's in the home and then he's waiting for her, वो दोनों डेट पे गए रहते हैं, तो वो पूछता भी है उसके अंकल को कि आपने उसको रमा दीदी के बारे में बताया है क्या, तो then he was like कि क्या जरूरत है अब ये सब बात करके क्या फायदा होगा. So I
Right.
think they never mention about her sister,
Her sister,
even
correct.
when they are dating or
So-
they kind of get married. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah,
From
it
that
makes sense.
point, he's like, ठीक है, मेरा वो पुराना लाइफस्टाइल था. I have earned my money now. I have left that aside. I have my
Correct.
dark secrets. Everybody has their past, but now I want to start
Yeah.
clean with
Yeah,
this
me
new
too.
girl and be as good to her as possible. And he's nice to her. वो कभी कुछ उसके साथ
He's
खराब नहीं
nice to
करता.
her, yeah, of course.
हाँ. Other than the usual creepiness of 90s heroes following heroines, which is
Stalking and everything, yeah.
ठीक है. हाँ. It is par for the course. हाँ.
Yeah, I know. It's
So-
definitely better than what I was going through while watching Mora. I think this was still decent.
Much decent. हाँ.
Comparatively.
Correct. And he's known as a
decent.
businessman. He's respected
Yeah,
in the society. So maybe he just wants to
Well
start
established.
fresh and like be
Could be,
done with
हाँ.
his past life.
Why to?
तो इसलिए शायद
Correct,
बोलता
why?
नहीं हाँ गड़े मुर्दे क्यों उखाड़े literally.
Literally. Literally, correct. बीवी उखाड़ लाती है, पर अब क्या
हाँ.
करें? Oh yeah, true. Very true.
Now
Yeah.
that we think बहुत सोच समझ के स्टोरी लिखा है जिसने भी लिखा है. कभी
अब
एड्रेस नहीं
जब उसको
करते.
डायसेक्ट करें तो समझ में
हाँ.
आ रहा है कि नहीं, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्मॉलर एलिमेंट्स जो शायद ऐसे देख के आप पिकअप नहीं करोगे, बट वंस यू स्टार्ट लाइक डिस्कसिंग अबाउट इट, यू
Discussing,
अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई दिस लाइन वाज देयर, दिस पर्टिकुलर वन लाइन. सो देयर इज अ जस्टिफिकेशन टू एवरीथिंग दैट एक्चुअली
Right.
इज हैपनिंग इन द मूवी. इट्स नॉट लाइक रैंडम चीजें चल रही हैं,
अरे
आपके
इंक्लूडिंग
पास
द
एक्चुअल
शंख
है.
वाला सॉन्ग. शंख वाला सॉन्ग भी जस्टिफाइड है ना.
जस्टिफाइड है, एग्जैक्टली. उसका स्टार्ट, उनका रोमांस से स्टार्ट शंख से हो रहा है, तो of
Exactly.
course-
अभी सॉन्ग खराब निकला हम क्या करें. सॉन्ग अच्छा निकलता तो हम लोग we would be very happy about it. अरे क्या मस्त सोचा करके बोलते थे. हाँ.
अच्छा वर्ड सोचा करके,
हाँ.
correct. And that was also like it was very, it's just a classical 90s thing where they had like a random song also popping up for
Correct.
no particular reason, because मुझे 4 गाने तो चाहिए ना मूवी में,
गाने तो
2 गाने से
चाहिए.
थोड़े
हाँ,
नहीं
correct.
चलेगा. तो मुझे
हाँ.
सिचुएशन लानी है, गाने की सिचुएशन डालनी है मुझे. 2.5 hours का तो करना ही है मूवी उसको. तो of course they will put like this random things.
You know,
Because,
now that I
people
think
will-
of it, अगर मैं डायरेक्टर बनना चाहिए मेरे को, now that नहीं बनना चाहिए. Now that बहुत फ्लॉप पिक्चर बनेगी. Now that I think स्टाइल जैसे पिक्चर बनेगी.
आएगा.
Think about it. जब माधुरी को उसकी बहन का भूत दिखता है. What if, now again I don't know, we don't know the justification of why she sees it, okay? What if they had made it in an angle where she is doubting herself कि मेरे को premonition हो रहा है कि मेरे को ऐसे ही दिख रहा है कि उसको अभी दीदी मर रही है दिख रहा है, but दीदी का भूत भी दिख रहा है. So then
Correct,
she
correct.
then maybe starts doubting herself कि मैं खुद
Yeah,
पागल
yeah,
तो
yeah.
नहीं हो रही हूँ कि मेरे को actually सच दिख रहा है कि मेरे को ऐसे ही भास होता है मला.
Which absolutely, which makes sense, क्योंकि उस ड्यूरेशन में there is this discussion with जावेद जाफरी with a doctor who is विजय वो मेरा ना,
Somebody,
क्या उसका
हाँ.
नाम है, अरे द यादों की बारात वाला बंदा रे.
यादों
भूल
की
गया
बारात
उसको.
from 50s.
So there is the youngest hero, this guy, he is the doctor ना, बहुत
The
short
youngest
सा
hero is
role.
आमिर खान in यादों की बारात, ठीक है.
हाँ, वो नहीं, विजय अरोरा.
विजय अरोरा. हाँ.
विजय अरोरा. तो उसका एक शॉर्ट रोल है ना, where जावेद जाफरी is discussing Madhuri's case with
Yeah,
this
yeah,
guy,
हाँ.
and then he's talking about, so he tells him कि okay, you have to trust her, you have to listen to her, but because otherwise this will she will go mad otherwise if you are not,
Correct.
if nobody is listening and nobody trusting. And then the next scene is where she's sitting and she's वो फिर वो लाइव वो एक सीन है जहाँ पे वो बुक केस घूम रहा है
Bookcase घूम
सडनली,
रहा है,
फिर उसके
हाँ,
अंकल आ जाते हैं. और आई थिंक उसके आसपास ही है वो गाना, इनफैक्ट जो
Correct.
व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो या मेक सेंस, बिकॉज़ शी माइट बी डाउटिंग हर ओन सेंसिबिलिटीज एट
But वो
दिस
वैसा
पॉइंट कि
पोर्ट्रे नहीं किया फिल्म में कि वैसा हो रहा है क्या.
हाँ करेक्ट, वैसा हो रहा है क्या, कि अब क्यों दिख रही है. बिकॉज इनिशियली एट द स्टार्ट ऑफ द डिस्कशन आई वाज आस्किंग व्हाई दैट सॉन्ग इज देयर, बिकॉज इट डजंट मेक सेंस whether her but yeah, now we think that probably that's what he
That's
probably
what
wanted
she
to convey.
wanted to show. हाँ.
कि हाँ, yeah, show कि maybe I'm going crazy, I'm seeing my sister's ghost now everywhere. And and I don't know what is happening to me. So yeah. Oh,
Now,
no
while we are at it, अभी मैं ये खोल लिया है 100 days 91 फिल्म, इसका IMDb एक बहुत ही वियर्ड ट्रिविया है, ठीक है.
हाँ.
अगर दिस इज द रिसर्च रैबिट होल, दिस इज नो जेन्युइनली ऐसा किसी को नॉलेज होता नहीं है, ठीक है, बट अभी अभी कर रहे तो घुसना पड़ेगा ना अपने को।
बस.
वेट, टॉप कास्ट नीचे अपने को ऑल कास्ट चाहिए, ऑल कास्ट एंड क्रू, ठीक है। आई एम गोइंग टू रीड आउट द फिल्मोग्राफी ऑफ सम पर्सन, ठीक है, अगर नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन एज इन कुछ किया नहीं लाइफ में वो
Okay.
बहुत, ठीक है। पर्सन नेम इज सुरेंद्र राही, सुरेंद्र राही, ठीक है।
सुरेंद्र राही. ओके.
ही इज द वीडियो कैसेट ओनर जो खुद ही बोलता है 100 डेज, नाम तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, करेक्ट।
ओह
साइड
यस.
एक्टर, साइड एक्टर, ठीक है, डजंट मैटर। सो बट हिज फिल्मोग्राफी, ही इज एक्टेड इन शोले एज अ विलेजर, he's acted in Veer Zara as man sitting in court amongst the crowd, he's acted in Garv, Salman Khan wala, as a lawyer, he's acted in Khaki in the crowd, he's acted in Kyuki mein jhoot nahi bolta as a lawyer, he's acted in Qayamat City under the threat, man in group of ministers people, he's acted in Kaho Na Pyare, mourner at funeral when Raj and Sonia are running away from cops, he's acted in Hum Saath Saath Hai, Anand's employer, he's acted in Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, he's acted in Mrityudata, he's acted in See More, he's acted in Raja, he's acted in Ram Jaane in the crowd, he's acted in DDLJ guest in the song Mehndi Laya Kar Rakhna, he's acted he's acted in Bazigar, man amongst crowd who sees Seema fall from the building, he's acted in Gumrah in the crowd, he's acted in Phoola Anga, he's acted in Tiranga in the crowd, he's acted in Jalga, he's acted in Chamatkar in the crowd, he's acted in Prem Diwani, he's acted in Vishwanath, देखिए बड़ी फिर Prabhat Brothers serial में, हाँ, he's acted in Henna, he's acted in 100 Days, he's acted in Kishan Kanhaiya, he's acted in, I'm skipping a lot of things popular नाम नहीं, he's acted in इसके पहले क्या था, कमांडो वाला पुराना है, सुपरमैन वाला नहीं, he's acted in Mr. India, man in Gurkha's Casino, he's acted in Sagar, he's acted in Meri Jung, he's acted in और उत्सव, he's acted in हमसे है ज़माना, he's acted in तकदीर, he's acted in आमने सामने, he's acted in पे सत्ता, he's acted in
I love-
नसीब, he's acted in शान, दोस्ताना, कुर्बानी, कर्ज, बर्निंग ट्रेन, काला पत्थर, पति पत्नी और वो, विश्वनाथ, अब क्या होगा, अमर अकबर एंथनी, चाचा भतीजा, my god, he's just acted in every, सीता और गीता, he's acted in
So-
every possible hit film.
Exactly. So what the point was I was trying to say.
क्या
There are
फिल्मोग्राफी है
a
भाई
bunch
बंदों
of
की।
actors. No, I'm not just talking about him. There are
हाँ.
this bunch of actors. They are omnipresent. Okay. And जब we as a kid when we were watching them and we used to always spot them. Okay.
Correct.
कि ये बंदा ना हमेशा जज ही बनता है, ये बंदा ना हमेशा इंस्पेक्टर ही बनता है. So हमने उनको एक कलेक्टिव नाम दे दिया था. We used to call them जनता. Okay.
Correct, they're part of the जनता,
because
हाँ.
they are a part of the janta. Okay,
Right.
all the time these faces were there as janta, and one of because you spoke about him, the same thing happens with the person who is Jagmohan's wife. Okay, that lady is in so many
films.
movies.
Yeah.
So many films. So while you were talking, so I मैंने भी खोला,
Looked up her,
उनका
हाँ.
नाम है सोनिया सेठ. Okay,
हाँ.
she is in so many movies. She is in खिलाड़ी also. She is also in जुनून and so many. But 90s की movies में हर जगह है वो. ठीक है. And these are the people nobody talks about. Okay,
खिलाड़ी में
because
she's the
nobody
one driving the car
acknowledges
क्या?
also.
She's the one driving the car who tries to mow down Deepak Trishori in खिलाड़ी.
No, वो तो कुनिका रहती है
Okay,
ना, कुनिका का कैरेक्टर. नहीं, she is one of the teachers, I think. जो
Okay.
first day
Oh,
वो उसको
yes.
पिलाते हैं ना.
हाँ,
so-
वो स्टाफ रूम में बैठी रहती, yes,
Yeah, staff
जिस पे
room में-
पहला विंक आता
I
है,
think she-
हाँ,
जिसपे हाँ, so that lady is different, but she's also one of the जनता
Okay,
people
हाँ,
because she's also in
हाँ.
so many movies. But yeah, ये तीनों
जनता
characters
film.
उसमें हैं and आप उनको हर जगह देखोगे. And nobody has, I don't know, I have not seen anybody acknowledging them, but we see you, okay? We have seen you,
100%,
we have
dude,
recognized you
like-
in every movie you have done, okay?
and मैं जब देखा ना इसको
And we have
वीडियो कैसेट
spotted you
लाइब्रेरी,
also.
हाँ, and why did I go down this rabbit hole also is exactly like you said कि इसको मैंने कहीं तो देखा है वीडियो कैसेट लाइब्रेरी में, जब वो बोलता है एक तो मूवीज बीइंग मेटा अबाउट इटसेल्फ कि 100 डेज की कैसेट आ रही है 100 डेज की मूवी की, एंड खुद ही खुद को बोलता है अरे क्या इंटरेस्टिंग नाम है 100 डेज, अरे कितनी खुद की लाल करेगा, बट ठीक है.
बेटा
But
सब
when I
बेटा.
saw him, I was like, इसको मैंने बाजीगर में देखा है करके, and then when I looked him up, he's like, yes, वो जब गिरती है सीमा तभी वो नीचे वही खड़ा रहता है. First
वही
face
खड़ा
that you see
रहता है,
him,
yes.
like, oh yes, फिर then I like saw सब जगह वही है यार,
Yeah.
and from
Yeah, I
Sholay
can
till
give you so
100
many
days.
names and so many faces who have done this. Specifically, there are 2-3 faces जो एक अंकल जो हमेशा रहते थे who had like this cat eyes and very पुणेरी जसे थोडेसे हे असायचे ना कॅरेक्टर थोडेसे
घारे
एजेड
डोळे, हाँ
30s 40s में हाउ वुड दे लुक ही यूज्ड टू लुक लाइक दैट एंड ही वाज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ लॉट ऑफ दिस क्राउड दिस थिंग सवो मेरे दिमाग में अभी टैंजेंट कहा गया पता है अंदाज अपना अपना पे ठीक है
हाँ,
बिकॉज
अरे 100%
जगदीश
कि वो
कैरेक्टर
खड़ा ऑडियंस में ऐसे खड़ा दिखेगा कहीं तो सलमान खान नहीं हुज फादर
जगदीश
जगदीप फादर
जगदीप
सलमान खान
हाँ
ग्रैंडफादर हाँ
सलमान खान स्वाद कि वो गया
ग्रैंडफादर
था
हाँ हाँ
तो हीरो मंदिर पर
यस यस
किसी मिल्क की भीड़ में खड़ा हुआ दिखता
खड़ा
है
दिखता है
they
यस
are the people who are these people and but we spot them we have spotted them all through you know all of these movies before watching this movie मैं just याद कर रही थी कि मुझे क्या याद है इस मूवी का तो पता नहीं उस पॉइंट पे मुझे ऐसा क्यों लग रहा था कि this was played by Shetty this role was played
Because
because I
similar
remember
look,
he
na,
was
हाँ.
bald somebody
Yeah,
who
yeah.
was bald and like dark
They were going for a
skinned
Shetty
and
look with him.
हाँ he had a shitty look but then
Yeah,
when
yeah.
I started watching I was like नहीं है तो कोई और ही है
कोई और है.
बंदा but yeah it's a very shitty look yeah
Yeah, it's a very Shetty look.
but I think Shetty would have been like pretty old by this movie
Yeah.
came so he was more of Amitabh's era
Correct.
Amitabh Dharmendra's era
और कुछ 100 days के बारे में
हाँ I think we should give some conclusive you know concluding remarks
concluding remarks होय येईल जमेल हळूहळू जमेल
to close the discussion. Yeah. So for me, I think, I mean, if I have to conclude the discussion, then I think 100 Days, first of all, great thriller. For me, it's a core memory. I have watched it. In fact, after watching for the first time, उसके बाद भी मैंने in between years में देखी है ये movie YouTube पे.
Correct. Yeah.
As and when I felt like it. Definitely a good thriller for the time when it was released. Tight script. हाँ कुछ है इधर उधर होता है कि थोड़ा लैग करती है but before we went into you know Abbas Mastan mode I think there were other directors who also tried to make good thrillers. I think it's definitely one of them and people should watch it. I think it's still a very good watch. It still kept me hooked like while I was watching it. I was not distracted कि हाँ रे हाँ पता है मुझे क्या होने वाला है but still I was watching for that and I love the music. मुझे तो पसंद है इस मूवी के गाने मुझे याद भी है गाने इनफैक्ट बहुत सारे मतलब I was singing along while I was watching the movie so yeah definitely recommended please if you haven't watched it watch it I know we have spoiled probably it for you but still get the experience. I think it's a great watch nonetheless.
पता है 35 साल हो गए
बूढ़ा फील हो गया मुझे
So I'll make you feel older, ठीक है 91 में जब ये फिल्म आई थी ठीक है शोले रिलीज होके 16 साल हुए थे
15 साल I know it came in 75 I know it came in 75
शोले को अपने को बचपन में शोले ओल्ड फिल्म लगती थी ठीक है पुरानी पिक्चर थी शोले ठीक है राज कपूर की तो और भी पुरानी फिल्म थी but even Raj Kapoor films were only 30 years older so
30 years old so we are at the same timeline at this moment yeah hey Ram by god
100 days देखते वक्त हम लोग राज कपूर फिल्म्स के बारे में जो सोचते थे वो आज हम लोग आज के पिक्चर देख रहे हैं अपने को राज कपूर वैसा रिलेट कर रहे हैं
yeah
This
for them
is
it's
insane.
like that oh my god it's insane really insane
कि देखो भाई everybody watch it it's a good film it's a good thriller अगर बोर हो रहा है तो बीच बीच का पार्ट फॉरवर्ड फास्ट करो जैकी श्रॉफ कोर्टशिप पीरियड विद माधुरी फॉरवर्ड फास्ट करो 2-3 गाने एफएफ कर लो बट अदरवाइज अच्छी पिक्चर है देख लो इट्स अ ग्रेट फिल्म वॉच इट if you haven't watched
please
it
watch
and
let us know
remember
how
it is
to
Madhuri's second biggest film in terms of percentage ये तो
game
हाँ
yes
very profitable
good
film. ठीक है
yes
and
please watch and let us know what do you think of it
and as a
whether it was a good recommendation or not
I don't
from our
care
side
अच्छा ही recommendation है तुमको पसंद नहीं आई but recommendation अच्छा है
engagement
See, तुमको पसंद नहीं आई वो तुम्हारा चॉइस है ना मैं रेकमेंड करूंगा बिकॉज मेरा चॉइस है तुमको पसंद आए ना आए इसलिए मैं थोड़ी रेकमेंड करूंगा
अरे बाबा हाँ everybody knows
मत देखो नहीं देखो फिर गाली दो
फिर गाली दो।
I always say
पहले
this.
इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें।
Exactly. I always say this कि I understand पिक्चर खराब है, I understand कि बहुत सारे बुरे थिंग्स है पिक्चर में, बट सेकंड हैंड इंफॉर्मेशन से गाली मत दो पिक्चर को। आइदर
हाँ वो तो of course।
आइदर इग्नोर
यार
इट कि
मैं
मैंने देखी नहीं है तो छोड़ दो, कि मत कॉन्वर्सेशन में घुसो, मत अपना ओपिनियन दो, देख के गाली दो, मन में जितना गाली है दो, पिक्चर को बकवास बोलो, टार्निश करो उसका इमेज, डायरेक्टर को बुरा भला करो, बट देख के बोलो, सेकंड हैंड
देख के
इंफॉर्मेशन पे
बोलता
मत
हाँ वो
बोलो।
तो है हाँ। agree यार वो तो always make your own opinion, create your own
Correct.
opinion, not
फ्री में देखो,
not ride
थिएटर में
on
देखो,
anybody
ओटीटी पे
else's।
देखो, पड़ोसी के खिड़की के बाहर खड़े रह के देखो, जैसे भी देखना है देखो, लेकिन देख के ओपिनियन फॉर्म करो।
हमने तो वैसे भी देखी है
हाँ, तो
पड़ोसी के घर जाके भी देखी
हमारा पॉडकास्ट भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, बकवास कर रहे हैं, वी आर नॉट ग्रेट, बट प्लीज 50 मिनट देख के बोलो।
देख के बोलो करेक्ट। गॉड
I'll give you a passing
ठीक है।
thought about age of the
हाँ।
film. ठीक है, रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ, कट भी कर सकता हूँ, बट पासिंग थॉट अबाउट एज ऑफ फिल्म। ठीक है, 35 इयर्स हो गए, फाइन, एंड लाइक यू सेड, अपने मम्मी पापा वो टाइम पे ऑलरेडी ओल्ड थे, एंड वी डोंट थिंक ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स एज ओल्ड। यू रिमेंबर क्रांतिवीर फिल्म, करेक्ट? उसमें वो गाना है नाना पाटेकर का, मी पाहिलं तुझ्या डोळ्यांच्या थ्रू, कधी 101 कधी 102,
बिंदु बिंदु
करेक्ट, विद बिंदु, एंड बिंदु वो टाइम पे अपने को ओल्ड थी, करेक्ट? एज किड्स वी थॉट यस बिंदु इज अ ओल्डर वुमन, एंड नाना पाटेकर के लिए भी वो शी इज एन ओल्डर वुमन इन द सॉन्ग, करेक्ट? नाना पाटेकर के लिए शी इज एन ओल्डर वुमन। यू नो माय एज इज 30 plus 9।
I know I
दैट मींस आई एम मैं तो एक पैर कबर में फिर। She's just 39.
You are very right because कभी तो रिसेंट में, एकदम रिसेंट में नहीं, कभी तो मैंने सुना था ये गाना, कहीं तो आया फॉर सम रीजन, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर नाउ, एंड ये लाइन आई एंड आई एग्जैक्टली माय थॉट वर एग्जैक्टली द सेम। मैंने कहा व्हाट, 1 second व्हाट, शी इज 39 इन दैट सॉन्ग।
मैं बिंदु से बुढ़ा है,
मैंने कहा तो क्रॉस कर गई, तो क्रॉस ही कर गई उसको।
I older than बिंदु। Oh no, this is what people look at me and think, ये इतना बुढ़ा है।